Hi guys, so we're at Egmanton level crossing in Nottinghamshire with Joe and Callow 5. There we go, time is 10:45 on Sunday the 14th of June 2015. This is for hour 10:52 from Lunakis Cross to Leeds. I'm not going off the Skype because that was because Matthew's recording. Can you go on RTT, Matthew, and tell me what this is for?
Yeah, let me just put my camera down. Sorry guys, this is very high up. Let me just...
What's that buzzing noise?
That might be my microphone. No, not Twitch.
Nantwich?
Yeah.
Look up Retford.
Okay. I'm sorry guys if any ads do pop up. I'm having computer trouble currently. Direct forward. Okay. What was it again?
10:52 from Lunakis Cross to where? And what's the head code as well?
Well, was it Kings to Edinburgh? So you blipped there.
Yeah. Don't look at the Kings, the Hull Kings. Look at the one just before it. A stopper, just underneath it.
10:54. 1:10.
Is it stopping there?
It's 1:10 from Kings to Edinburgh.
All right.
There's no whole trains on here, weirdly though.
Are you actually on Retford?
Yeah, I'm on Retford.
Right. Next time I'll have a quick look at the timetable before I do anything. Because if I actually go off the page, will it stop the recording?
Yeah, it will. So I'll keep you updated on what trains are on.
All right then.
Basically just save my YouTube because I have nothing to upload because time's been a pain up there.
Here she is. We've got a 91 coming. We've got 91, 126, 8. 82, 228, and look, they got another pair. I think Matthew's buzz is trying to say thanks guys, I'll see you in the next video.